pulled the meat off at 9 p.m. Again, we started at a quarter to 11 this morning, or 10 till, something like that. Y'all know if y'all was watching. I know at least 3 of y'all was watching on there. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna close it out here, and I'm passing it on to Katie for part 2 when we do the pulled pork grilled stuffed burritos.
Hello everyone and welcome to Sea Smoke. I am doing the second part of our pulled pork stuffed burritos. So I'm going to make some rice that we can put in our burritos. I have a package of Nor's chicken flavored rice, but I thought I got Spanish rice, but obviously I didn't. And I got chicken, but that's okay. It still will do the same purpose. I got 2 tablespoons of butter in my pot, and I'm going to put, if everybody's seen the video the other day, I made pico, so I'm going to use what I made to put in my rice. So I'll have that cilantro, the onions, the tomatoes, and all that to go and flavor my rice with. So I'm going to use that in there and that liquid. So that's a leftover item I'm using. I also have some green chilies left over from something else we did. So I'm going to use these 2. I'm putting the liquid and all of everything in here. That way I can have enough liquid in there with my rice. I have made a mess. I have some
all day.
Black beans here. I'm putting all that in there juice because the rice is supposed to have like 2 cups of water. So that's why I'm leaving the liquid in here to add to that. I got a can of corn too that I'm adding. So there goes some more liquid. And let me get this out of the way a second because I'm making a mess.
And if you hadn't seen part 1 of this video where I've done the pulled pork today, check it out. We'll put a link somewhere up here above my head.
And don't forget, like always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give us a holla. We like it when you call. I mean, not call. Of course, you're not going to call. Well, we like it when you leave comments. So we can talk to you. Alright, I'm going to put my package of rice in here too. And you should use scissors and not your teeth to do that, but I'm just going to use teeth today. Alright, I got that in there. I'm tired on myself. Alright, got all that in there. Now you're supposed to have 2 cups of water, but I'm going to add some beef broth to give it a little more flavor too. Now, don't forget we already have some liquid in the pot, so I got a cup there. And I've got a little bit here. I'm going to add just a splash bit more water. So I'll get about 1/2 cup of liquid because you got to remember we have liquid in there from the corn and from the black beans and everything. And the tomatoes are going to make their own liquid, of course. So let me stir this all around. And you're going to cook this just like the package says. And this is, more than enough rice and everything you're going to have for your family. Trust me, I'm going to have some left over. Alright, we're going to turn this on high and let it get started. And once it comes to boil, then we're going to do like, any normal thing you do when you do rice. Let it come to the boil, turn it down, and let it simmer. Alright. Okay, everyone, now we're ready to load our pulled pork burritos. We just have regular flour tortillas that you can get at your local grocery store.
There goes Google. I think our Google's having some issues in there.
Would you spread that out, please? Oh, too much in one spot.
That'd be
Alright, then we're going to take a little bit of our rice that we made with the tomatoes and the corn and the onions and cilantro and everything.
and now cheese.
Too much in there. Because I'm wondering how we're going to roll it. I'm too dark. Make sure you roll them tight.
How did you get them anyway?
Yep. And then I'm going to got my cast iron really hot already. I'm going to put a little oil on this to help it out. I'm going to stick it in that. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on the top. Well, we're going to need something to put this in a minute. Well, not in, on, excuse me. I'm extremely tired. Alright, now I'm starting to smell it again. We're going to roll it over and toast up the other side. Fight with the pan. I'm about to lose it all. Alright. And that is all done. Oh, God, don't break the thing. And all grilled there. Nice and crispy. Now we're going to get our other one started. There in the center also. Brush it along there too. And we're going to finish these up and then we'll do the taste test. Okay, our grilled stuffed burritos are finished. As you can see, they've been grilled and toasted on both sides. Got crosshatch marks and everything. Now we're fixing to give them a taste test, and just remember you can use any little extra condiments you want to put on the top of your burrito. Sour cream, guacamole salsa, regular guacamole, pico de gallo, taco sauce, just whatever you feel like putting on yours, go wild. Alright, so now I'm going to give this a try. And see how hot it is and stuff. Well, I'm trying to get a bite here without dropping everything, but I am dropping everything. Alright, here we go. That was a big bite I took. But it's good. The meat's really good and everything. Everything's nice and warm after we've heated it up on when we toasted or grilled both sides of the tortillas. But hopefully this is a quick, easy night meal for you to do during the week. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time and enjoy cooking.
It's gonna be a 3-part video after all. We just got finished with a pulled pork shepherd's pie. You want to see that video? Like, subscribe, and you can see all 3 parts of it. That shepherd's pie, it turned out great. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next videos.